Oh my gosh, look what we found in the attic. The Hot Wheels X-Treme Motocross. So we've got Jeremy McGrath who's running his #1 on his Yamaha. And then we've got Grant Langston on his KTM. I want to say 125 when he was running #8. Maybe, who knows in this case. But Liam, what do you think we should do with this bad boy? Play with it. Now the copyright on the box says copyright of 2000. I have no idea when this was actually made, but we'll go with 2000. So we're gonna do a quick time lapse, getting this thing built, showing you guys a couple cool features, and we're just gonna go from there and maybe do some Supercross, or in this case, Extreme Motocross.
I have a question.
Go on.
Maybe it was 2020 when it came out.
Well, that would be this year.
Well, it would probably do
It's definitely not this year,
It
is
would
it?
probably be a long time ago, 2020.
Yeah, exactly. So maybe 20 years ago, so this might be 20 years old, it could be older. All right, you ready?
So you'd still technically be a kid.
Yeah, let's build.
Let's build!
Important for best performance, clean track before each race. See owner's detail. I'm sure 20 years sitting there in the box, this is gonna have to happen. Well, make sure you guys tell us what you think about this. Have you ever played with one of these back in the day? Oh, that'd be a great idea. Somebody go look in the archives and find a Cowie racer on a 38, number 38. From Fly Zone Racing.
Dad, show us.
But there's our Jeremy McGrath with his Chaparral Yamaha in his Hot Wheels days. Pretty awesome. The daredevil jump, skid out curves, and cool moguls. Whoop, whoop. Oh my gosh.
Phew.
The unveiling of Jeremy.
Yes. I just want to hold him in my grasp.
So if you guys haven't noticed, we're in the craft room. That's why things are so messy, but that's our fault. The wife likes to keep everything nice and clean, and we don't. That's on us. We're gonna have to clean all this up later today when we're done playing around. All right. All right. Oh. Hello, Jeremy. Jeremy McGrath.
That's his name.
#1.
Yep, #1.
Oh, it came with some sandpaper. Do you want to do the sandpaper?
No, you do.
Oh, you want me to do the sandpaper?
Yeah.
Let's see how this works. Whoa!
Crash and burn,
Crash and burn, baby!
Crash and burn! I'm gonna let you get ahead, sir.
Hey, I made it!
Now I lost.
Uh-oh! Oh, made it!
Second lap was not one.
Oh no, fell over! Oh no!
At least I made the jump. Hello, guys. Oh my God.
Hey,
think that's not cool. Whoever gets 3 laps first wins. First lap!
Oh, that's 2.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Okay, Dad, just have fun.
Yeah, just have fun. Okay.
Just have fun. No laps.
3 laps. I win.
No,
Woo!
I said just have fun. I said just have fun, Dad. No racing.
Thanks for building with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Are we gonna have fun playing with this throughout the coronavirus couple weeks? All right, now we're gonna have to pack it up every night, but now we know how to get it out and we can play with it, okay? All right, so you've got Jeremy McGrath, one of the winningest Supercross racers ever. Maybe he was the GOAT, but everybody calls Ricky Carmichael the GOAT, and that's what it is. So Grant Langston was on the box. Unfortunately, we got number 38 on a Kawasaki, not Grant Langston. So if anybody knows who's 38, look in the archives, Kawasaki. We'll figure this out. Definitely put that in the comments. Tell me what you thought about this, man. Liam and I are not getting our chance to ride dirt bikes, we're getting to play dirt bikes, right? Yeah, what did you think? Perfect. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully everybody's safe during this time right now. Enjoy this time with your family as much as you can. Try not to drive yourself crazy. And always enjoy a pint full of awesome. Like, subscribe, comment, all the things.
Wait, I got something.
And we'll see you on the internet.
Wait, I got something to show you guys.
Hurry.
I don't know.
All right, so Big Daddy gave you that?
Yep.
Yeah, for those of you guys who know Big Daddy or Papa Pierce, he's a big slot car guy, so this is why this was probably purchased back in 2000. So, all right guys, keep having fun on the internet.